In this tutorial, you'll learn how to review and update expense labels. When submitting an expense, the cardholder might have attached the wrong label accidentally. You can easily spot and correct these issues within your expenses dashboard. In this example, our corporate labels are expense category and yacht name. The first expense doesn't look quite right. The amount seems too low to be classified as accommodation. The label for yacht name is also missing. Let's click to view more details. We can see this is actually a travel expense. The receipt looks correct. So we just need to remove the accommodation label and change it to travel. By reviewing the cardholder notes, we can also identify which yacht this expense was for. So let's update the yacht name label as well. And that's it. A quick review helps ensure your expense data stays clean and accurate.